Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Remember, last video, 5'2", bar chords, and we did one of the 7th chords. Alright, if you remember the last time, we went bop, 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 bop. Real quick review. Today we're doing the same tune, and after this, unless you want to play it, you're not going to hear about this song anymore. Alright, all we're doing, again, as a tool. First chord, let's jump in. C chord. Look how we're playing it. Now we're playing it on the 3rd fret. Okay, I know we know this. Again, not an easy chord, but let's play it. E7. All right, the next chord. That one, look how we're playing it. All right, we getting a good shot at that? Now, hey John, I don't know if I know that chord. Yes, you know it. I'm going to show you a picture of it, because you learned it as the fret, as a C7 chord in the 1st fret. All right, D7, here it is. 3rd finger, 5th fret. All right, you have your pinky is on the 5th fret. All right, 2nd finger is on the 4th fret, and the 1st finger is on the 3rd fret. Okay, it's a form. Okay, this is going to be very important for this song. All right, because what's going to happen? Here it's D7. By the way, that's your root, as you can see. When you move it up 2 frets, it's E7. Okay, so here's what's happening with 5'2". We're going to be this way. Now the A7 is going to be the same bar, and so will be the G7. Remember that guy? All right, getting a good shot of that? All right. So we see what's happening here. And the D7, which we just showed you, okay? The G7, let's see. Here's what it's going to sound like. Now, in contrast, listen to the way we did it in the previous video. Hear that there? Well, we're back to this A7. The A7's constant. Now listen to the D7. G7 stays the same. See? So here we have the other way is. Okay, so what we're doing is we're mixing a bar chord with, for lack of a better term, a fingered chord. All right? D7, E7 fingered. These are going to become really important later in popular music, which on maybe a week or 2 from now, we'll be definitely incorporating these tunes, and I got one coming up that'll be by the Rolling Stones, so I mean, I love the tune, and I know you're gonna like it too. Anyway, that's what's happening. I promise after this, no more 5'2". But please, please bear with me. Again, it's just important that we start to understand that there's more places on this guitar to play even something like a C chord, because now we know this one, we know this one, we know this one. We already know 3 C chords. All right, it's important. D7, you know this one, you know this one, you know this one. All right, E7, you know this one, you know this one. Okay, and you know, it's a slight contrast. You know, you got to listen for the sound. against the high note. So that's why this is important, okay? Hopefully we won't have too much trouble with this, but again, as always, comments below. All right, please, if you like what you hear, give me that thumbs up, and please subscribe. Have a nice day and good luck with this.